The new cryptocurrency opportunity. The new Bitcoin. Making your wealth possible. OneCoin. The new Bitcoin has arrived. Everyone knows the story about Bitcoin. They started at a few cents, established ground, and rose to over 1,000 euros. Many Bitcoin investors are now millionaires. Those who bought for 100 Bitcoins now own an apartment. Did you miss the Bitcoin boat? No worries, a new cryptocurrency has arrived. OneCoin. OneCoin was launched in September 2014. Join as a networker or an investor or both. Over 1,500,000 OneCoin accounts have been created in the last year by people who see the opportunity, and still growing fast. The OneCoin founder, Dr. Ruja Ignatova, a well-known economist with degrees in law and economics. Businesswoman of the Year. Nominations by Forbes magazine. Backed by the President of Bulgaria. Trading, buying, and selling equals earning money. Buying OneCoin is done through becoming a member. With your membership, you choose how much you want to put into this. 100 euros, 500 euros, 1,000 euros, 3,000 euros, 5,000 euros, 12,500 euros, 18,800 euros? What do you get for your money? An in-depth education program, how to trade cryptocurrencies. Tokens. The tokens are used to participate in the mining pool. Through the mining pool, your tokens are converted into OneCoins. OneCoins can be sold for euros or dollars. Current value and expectations. The current value is at 5.3 euros. This is higher than the initial projection to be at the beginning of 2016. The expectation is for the value to go up 25 euros, fork between 20 and 30 euros by the end of 2016. The value is expected to stabilize between 400 euros and 700 euros per OneCoin. OneCoin will be an authorized currency to pay cars, groceries, clothes, etc. The question is not, do you see the opportunity? Yes, you do by now. The question is, do you want to buy at 5 euros now? Or wait until 40 euros or even a lot higher later? Next steps. Get in touch with the person who sent this document to you. Go to one of the worldwide OneCoin events in your neighborhood and talk to winners and get your questions answered. Define if you only want to be an investor or if you also want to promote this to other people. We help you find out what is best for your personal growth and wealth. Positive people share what works and grows. Negative people look for excuses not to do something and will never move forward. What will you be? Welcome to our OneCoin team. The future of wealth.